Later, Percy arrived with some coal trucks when he noticed the newcomer. "Wait a minute," he said to himself. "That engine looks familiar." The engine reminded him of Bruce, the Australian engine who visited last year and tricked Percy into saying bad words. "My brother told me about you," she said, "on New South Wales Government Railways 3801. "That's right," said the fireman. "A reliefman will come along for tomorrow's train." Now Blue Peter was scared. He passed a signal telling him to slow down. Blue Peter tried to engage his brakes, but he couldn't. "Help! Help! I can't stop! He rolled into the tunnel and out the other side. Thomas was standing at the platform with Annie and Clarabelle. "Blue Peter, look out!" shouted Thomas. "I can't stop!" called Blue Peter back. Quickly thinking, Thomas slowly reversed from the platform. Blue Peter hit his buffers with a bump. Thomas's driver then applied his brakes, then clambered into Blue Peter's cab and shut off steam and applied the brakes. Blue Peter was relieved.
Alright, let's see. Oh, here's some ways to get rid of it. Number 1, scare away the hiccups. Okay, boyfriend, can you find a way to scare me? No? That's too bad. Where'd he go?
No! Dark chocolate because he was giving it to me good last night and I was getting me some pipe.
Listen here, if you want to throw dukes, we can throw dukes. I went to high school in Compton and I'll have you know I slept with the whole football team.
Oh, okay. Well, let me tell you some shit.
Here we go. I say, are those two pigs vomiting up there?
"That's right. He told me he got you into a little bit of trouble." "He did," Percy huffed angrily.